Hi everyone, my name is Christy and this video is taking place starting out in my bathroom because I need to tackle my makeup dresser, like my daily makeup collection. Let me show you how much of a mess it is right now. So this is absolutely out of control. I'm supposed to just have my daily makeup products on this tray here on my bathroom counter. And I have just made it such a mess. I've just been adding way too many products onto my counter here because I have so many products I love, but I'm not using these every day. So we need to organize this and just have my daily products. So I'm going to take all of this off of my counter and I'm gonna organize it into sections, categories, to try and narrow down to just one of each type of product that I'll actually use every day. All right, this is crazy. This is all of the makeup that I had on my tray. Some things you can see I only have one of, so I was doing good. But then my mascaras, I have way too many foundations. Let's go through it. So for highlighter, I have this liquid illuminator from Iconic London. And then I have my powder highlighter that I use every day from Focalure. I haven't been using my illuminator, so I'm gonna put this away and just keep this as my daily highlighter. I also just have my one bronzer, my Hoola bronzer, so that's a daily. And then I just have my one daily blush that I've been loving from Pixie by Petra. It's the Beach Rose. I love this shade. I also just have one lip liner that I've been wearing every day lately that I love. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. It's their lip filler lip liner in the shade Gislin. I have 3 daily lip products here. I have my Winky Lux S'mores lip balm that I love. It's like a nude lip balm. But I haven't been reaching for this as much. I think I should keep a lip balm. I have the Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Lip Balm from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And this is the lip plumper that I've been using every day from Grande Lips, their Hydrating Lip Plumper. It doesn't have the shade on it, but it's this color, this nude shade. Now I have my eyeliners. So this is the one I've been using the most, and this is what I'm gonna keep using from Julep. The Eyeshadow 101 stick. I have it in the shade Bronze Shimmer. And sorry about my nails, but this is the one that I've been using every day, and I love it on the lower lash line. Then I also love these, but I'm not using them as much, so I'll put these away for now. This is from Santee, so it's only $1 from Shop Miss A, the Big Smoky Eyes Shimmer Stick in this gray shade. And then I also love this nude eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Pro Pencil Eyeshadow Primer and Color Corrector that I was just using as a nude eyeliner, but I haven't been using this that much either, so I'll put that away. And now as for my brows, I just have this one brow gel that I've been loving, the Benefit Gimme Brow, that I use in the shade 1. And then my brow pencil of the moment is the Winky Lux Unibrow, Universal Brow Pencil. Love this one. Use both of these every day. Now for my daily setting spray, I am using the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, but I don't love this spray bottle, so I've been using this as my spray bottle, and I just keep refilling this one with the Mario Badescu. So I really only have one setting spray out right now. And then I just have my one eyeshadow primer, the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I have my daily lash curler from Revlon. This is a triple one, which is kind of cool. Then I just have a little lash and brow brush. But oh gosh, the mascaras. I think I need to limit this to just, well, I have to keep my primer, my Lancome Sills Booster XL Primer, Have to keep that every day. I've been still trying this every day. So here's a little update. This is supposed to tint your lashes after prolonged use. It's supposed to tint your lashes after just a week. It's been multiple weeks and I've seen no tint in my lashes, and I've been using this every day, but I do love it, so I'll keep using it. And then how about one more? I keep reaching for this. I've been really liking this Maybelline Colossal mascara to layer up with my other Revlon mascara, so I'll use that, and these mascaras I will take off of my tray, but I love all of these mascaras. That's why they ended up on my tray. All right, now somehow my perfumes ended up on my makeup tray, and I have 5. So I think I'm just gonna choose this one. This is the Catherine Melandrino Romance de Provence. I've been using this pretty much only whenever I go somewhere. So now the smell to me is associated with like fun and going somewhere. So I've been enjoying this. It smells really nice. And now for my concealers. This Yensa BC concealer is my absolute favorite go-to concealer, but I don't use it every day because I'm trying to save it for when I'm actually seeing people in person, because this just looks so great in person. So I'm gonna keep this on my tray, but only use it for basically special occasions. But then for my daily concealer, I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape. It looks great on Zoom calls. So this is what I'm using. It does crease, so that's why it's not my go-to concealer. That's when I use the Yensa one, but for daily use, I'm gonna keep the Tarte Shape Tape. And then these two, I know this is a foundation, but I use it as a concealer. I'm gonna save these, put these away for now. And then for a daily kind of eye shimmer, not that I use these every day, but I love both of them, so they ended up on my tray. But I'm just obsessed with this Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz Diamond Light Finisher. So I'm gonna put this on my tray, and then I'll put away the Stila for now. It's the Rose Gold Retro Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And here are the primers that ended up on my tray. So I really like all of these, but I've just been reaching for the Kismet Vitamin C primer the most lately. I'm almost done with this, so I'm gonna put this on my tray for now, use it up, and then I'll choose a different primer. Here are all the foundations that ended up on my tray. So love all of these. This one, I can't believe I didn't just use this up yet. Maybe I'll put this on my tray for like one more use. But I've been loving this stick foundation from BR. I got this from Shop Miss A. It's $1. I have it in the shade 2 Natural Ivory. And this is a really great coverage foundation stick that I've been loving for like Zoom meetings and working remotely. So I've been using this a lot. I think I'll keep this on for my remote days when I don't go anywhere. But then when I do go somewhere, I love this BB cream. It's what I've been reaching for the most these days. It just makes the skin look so flawless and natural. So this will be my going somewhere foundation that I'll leave on the tray. And then these ones I'll put away for now. And then lastly, my powders. I don't know how I ended up with 5 powders. I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder the most. It goes great with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer to help prevent creasing. So I think this is the one I'll keep on my tray for now. This pure foundation I should probably just throw out because it's basically gone and it's broken. But then I love these other powders, but I'll put them away for now. And here is my final setup, my new organized daily makeup. So here's the makeup that I'm gonna be wearing daily in case you're curious. And I also try to lay it out in the order that I'll use it. So the first things I'll use and then just going in order like that. This feels so much cleaner to me now. I feel so much better. I won't have things falling all over the place anymore. So Yay! Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.